Hmm. Hello, Zambo. Nice to meet you again. Today, we have a guest. Hello, Mr. Hall.
Hi, how are you?
Great. So today's session, we are going to deal with the Snorkl, the AI process-oriented assessment. Uh, Let me show my screen. Okay, here we go. Today we're gonna just deal with three topics: how Snorkl works, and then let's practice the Snorkl as a student, and
Mhm.
lastly, let's make a class and activities together. Okay, first of all the teachers in Zanzibar already learned what is the Snorkl. So I briefly introduced the Snorkl in a short time. So as you remember, using Snorkl, students can record their voices and they can just write down their wait a second, this one. They not this one. Here we go. Oh yeah, right. And they can also write down their answers using whiteboard, and also using generative AI, students can receive on the spot feedback.
Mhm.
And lastly, teachers can get easily a AI generated analysis of student results. So let's practice how to use Snorkl as a student. Please just to take your smartphone. I just shared my smartphone screen. First of all, please scan the QR code on the screen. Okay, like this. See? I'm gonna just to give you 4 more seconds to scan the QR code. Okay, good. Hmm. Good. Okay. Then just access the link on the screen like this. Mm-mm.
Mm.
Actually, I just practiced by myself, so it does not show the first step anyhow. Okay, then I'm gonna just explain using my capture screen. On the screen, you can see the menu for access the activity. There's the three menus, but this time you're gonna use the last option, login as guest. So if you press login as a guest button, then you may find the next page. On the first blank, you may just put your English name, like Kevin, Brad, or something. Then, after writing down your own name, then press submit button on the down part of the screen. Then, here we go. Now you can see the screen. Uh, on the screen, please read the instructions. See, read the poem twice, slowly and correctly, and press the start response button. Okay, let me show. Then, uh, I have no idea, but if you use the iPhone or Android based smartphone, then the the UI is a little bit different from each other. But anyhow, if you see the record button, then before starting the assignment, press record first. So I will press the record button. Then it starts recording your voice. See, now we are 6. I will read the poem. Let me show. Now we are 6. When I was 1, I had just begun. When I was 2, I was nearly new. When I was 3, I was hardly me. When I was 4, I was not much more. When I was 5, I was just alive. Now I am 6. I am as clever as clever. So I think I will be 6 now forever and ever. Then press end review button. Okay. Uh, I didn't tell you before recording your voice. If there is any pop-up that shows student Snorkl application would like to access the microphone, then press allow button.
Mhm.
And after terminating your recording voice, then press the terminate button. Now, before clicking the submit button, if you wanted to re-record, you may just press redo button. But this time, I will not press the redo button. If you press the submit button, then the AI generates feedback on the submitted response. But before pressing the submit button, I will let you know one more thing. If you press this button, then you may just listen to your voice again, your answer again. Okay, let me press this button. Then it starts recording your voice. See, now we are 6. I will read the poem. Let me show. Now we are 6. When I was 1, I had. Okay, see? So, ugly voice, isn't it? Old ugly voice. By the way, by doing that, you may just recheck. I mean, students may review or check their answer before submitting their the answers to the teacher, right?
So
Okay, let me.
students have chance to monitor their results before submitting
Yes, right.
their whatever. Yeah.
Mm. So, Mr. Ho just pointed out a very important factor. Student can monitor their answer maybe twice or 3 times.
Mm-hmm.
But if we do not use Snorkls, whenever we just want students to present their own answer in vocal based task, every time they answer the question, then if we do not record their voice, the teacher and the student each other, only they can hear the student's voice once. But if you use this application, students may monitor and recheck and review their answers. Thank you, Mr.
So
Her.
in the tradition, yep.
Mm,
So in the traditional class, oral speech is only given one shot chance, right?
right. That's right.
But
What a
mhm.
second. I just pressed the wrong button, so my screen
Where are
shows.
you?
Okay, good. Wait a second, please. Can you hear my voice, by the way? Now.
Yes, and you just come back.
Uh-huh. Okay, now let me submit my results. Then see, so the generative AI generate feedback. It takes time. we already know that in Zanzibar, maybe in one class, more than 40 or 50 students in one class. So if you wanted to just to get answers from students by speaking or presenting, then it takes too much time. And
Mm-hmm.
as well as you cannot just to give any some detailed feedback for each students. But if you use this application and if students have their own device
Mm-hmm.
or in a group, if they have
Mm-hmm.
their own group device, then teacher might utilize this
Mm-hmm.
Snorkl for giving detailed feedback for each student or each group. Am I
Mm-hmm.
right?
Right.
Yep.
So in this harsh environment, the
Hmm.
teacher, only one teacher cannot give individual feedback to every student. So
Okay.
this Snorkel application might be a good, you know, AI copilot for for the teacher.
That's right. Okay, let me move on to the next step. So, can you see, even though it is written in Korean, you can just acknowledge that the AI generated feedback is shown on the screen. And can you see the red dots? Mr. Hall,
Yep.
can you guess what the red dots means?
So there are two dots, and
That's right.
I think the dot is the point the feedback is given.
Ah, correct. Wow, what a good student.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
as Mr. Hall told us that there's a two spots, and on a feedback, there's also two feedback sentences. So,
Mhm,
in each feedback, you may just find out exactly the spot that the
mhm,
feedback is given.
mhm,
So, you may just go to the spot and listen to your voice again. I mean, the students can listen to their own voice again. So, they can just check what is the wrong or what is the improvement
mhm,
that the AI feedback is given. So
mhm,
using those red dots, you may just check the feedback spot more easily.
mhm,
And next, students also can read the AI's feedback on their own assignments, and they can just check whether they just did well or wrong. Uh, in my cases, even though there's a Korean here, but the AI just to gave me a feedback. Clever as clever. On the screen there it is written as clever, but I just
Clover.
speak. I just pronounced it as clover. so so the AI accurately just to check my voice, isn't it?
Right.
Good. Then, after checking the feedback, the students can retake the test by pressing the plus button on the upper corner of your screen. Let's press the plus button. Then there's a two option. The students may just add their own answer again on the previous whiteboard, or they can choose blank whiteboard. Mr.
Hmm.
Hall, if they
Hmm.
choose blank whiteboard, what happens?
Uh, from the zero sum, I think everything is goes from the zero. They have to do it all again.
Yeah, so all the results are erased. So the
Right.
students have to answer from the start.
Right.
So you may just have students choose both of them according to their own goal. Good. Okay. Let me just move on to the next task. This time, I'm gonna just show a math question. So let's scan the QR code again. Here we go. Oh, by the way, my aquarium here. See. Korea in Korea it's past 6 p.m. So it's dark outside. What about in Tanzania? One teacher just to say hello. Hello, nice to meet you. Okay, anyhow, let's press the QR code. This time, you can also just join as a guest and press submit button. If you did not write down your name at the previous question, then this screen will pop up again. But if you just to finish your first assignment, then like my page, my screen, you may just to watch the math question right away. Okay, let's start response. Then this time, you can also just record your voice. But this time, can you see the menu on the upper corner of my screen? There's some
Yeah.
options. Oh, Mr. Hall, what is it? Can you can you tell me?
I think the tools, drawing tools or pen, erase, or text, etc.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, yeah, that's right. Drawing pens. So this time you can write your own answer by using these drawing tools. Okay. Hmm. You may just put. Oh, by the way, some of the teacher just sent me the message. Aha. Mm-hmm. Mr. Ban. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Ban. Okay. There's a like okay. This button is a pencil button, right? So if you press this button, then you may just write down like your pen using your pencil.
Hmm.
You can just write down any kind of letters or pictures or some shapes, etc. And what about this eraser? So if you press this button,
Yeah.
then you just erase all the things that you just wrote. What about the last button, picture button? So if you press this button, you may just take you may just take your uh, picture file from your device, then maybe
Hmm.
put a picture on the screen. Let me see. Okay, my puppy. Yeah, here we go. Okay, see. Ta-da. Okay.
Good.
uh and uh okay, let me show how to answer this question using your own voice and using the images that you uh, took previously. Uh, Actually, I just to wrote down the solutions on the paper. So why don't you just to take a picture of the solution on the screen? Then you may just add that solution on the page using this picture icon. I'm going just to
Hmm.
erase this. Okay, wait a second. Sorry. Here. Okay. I'm gonna just take a picture of okay of the solution like this.
Okay.
Then oh, here we go. Yep. So I will just put that picture on the screen. Yeah. Here we go. I'm not sure. It's not clearly viewed. But anyhow, let's let me see what happens. Okay. Oh, by the way, I have to record my voice. Okay. Okay. X squared minus 7x plus 14 equals 2. And if you put 2 on the left side, so 14 minus 2, then it shows x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. And you may just x minus 3 times x minus 4 equals 0. So the x might be 3 or 4. Actually, I'm not good at math, so I just explained very poorly. Please understand. By the way, okay, let's listen to my voice. Okay, stop. Okay, let me submit my answer. What happens? Let's see what happened.
So in this case, the AI will give feedback on voice and handwriting, right?
That's right. Very good point. Actually, I didn't write down my answer on the screen. I just took a picture and uploaded my picture on the screen. That means that in Zanzibar, the students also can just write down their own answer on their paper, and they can just
Mhm.
to take their pictures, the pictures of their solution, their
Mhm.
answers, and they can just upload the same answer on the screen. Then the Snorkl, the AI can acknowledge the letters on the picture, and they can analyze, and it can analyze the solution, the answers, and can give a feedback. Okay,
Oh, there are
let me
three
see.
dots.
Oh, yeah.
There are three red dots.
Mm-hmm. Three red dots, and you can see the three feedbacks. But even though it is shown as in Korean, but after reading it, I found out that
What about
it. Hmm.
clicking the translating button on the right side of the top?
I didn't know that. How did you know that? Oh, let's try it.
Just I saw that.
Wow, good job. I didn't know that actually. Wow, good. So, yeah. So, as you see, images found out that wow, it perfectly acknowledged the
Mhm.
characters. I mean the letters on the picture. So it is the OCR function,
Mhm.
and using this function, teachers might give students a task just writing down their own answer, or as well as they can just to help students to 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 answer in their own voice. So they can choose two options, right? Actually, all the rubrics for this question is generated by AI. See,
Mhm.
so teachers also can get benefit using this Snorkl. If you put a question on the Snorkl, then the Snorkl analyze the question and automatically generate the rubrics. See, so the teacher do not need to write down all the steps and all the rubrics on this platform. So it is very strong function of Snorkl. Mhm. And mm, okay, this time I'm gonna just show the here the this screen again. Teachers can review the results of assignment and make corrections. So teacher may just check the 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 answer and the feedback of the students' results, and they may change correct into incorrect or incorrect into correct after checking the student's answer twice or three times. And as well as they can just to change the results. I mean the actually the results for a scale of 0 to 4 point. But if you think that the answer is great, perfect, then you may just change the score to the full score for excellent. And if you think that the AI mistakenly check the answer in a wrong way, then you may just to change the score into maybe from 4 to 3 or 3 to 0 like this.
So
And
the
hmm,
scoring is done by two steps. First, AI score the individual students, uh, uh, the the answers, and then finally the teacher, you know, uh, gives the final score on the feedback, right?
that's right. That's right. So every time you just speak out, you just give me a very uh, important point. Yes, right. So uh, even though AI analyze the student answers, but the last step should be done by teachers, right?
Yeah, right. So the
So
teacher is the best expert in the class.
that's right. So Snorkl, in Snorkl, even though the Snorkl just give you some easy way to grade student results, student assignment, but even though those even though there is the strong function of grading students assignments, but teachers can also change or review the student's score and grade. And see, you can also
Mhm.
click the pencil shaped edit menu button, so that the button is on your when you just to exercise as a teacher, you may just find out the edit button on the your screen on the bottom right. Then you may just to edit the feedback generated by AI. Now you just to practiced Snorkel as a student, two assignment, and this time let's make a class and activities. Okay, let's scan the QR code again. Uh, I will just okay. So if you scan the QR code, it just directs you to into the Snorkel homepage. And on the homepage, by the way, if you cannot scan the QR code, you may just write down the URL snorkel.app on the Omnibox on your web browser.
In the, Also, in this case, you recommend the Chrome browser, right?
Yes, right. So I recommend using Chrome browser, and then sign up with your Google account using sign up button on the upper corner. Okay, this time I already just signed up with my account, so it just popped up the menu. But in your case, you may just to see the sign up with the Google icon on your page, and choose icon, then press choose your account and press continue button. Then as you are a teacher, all you are teachers, so choose teacher and write down your school name and your job title.
Hmm.
And see, actually, I guess this is the icon based UI. So in my screen, it shows classes, not class list. But uh, let me let me explain. So as a free version of Snorkel, you can create unlimited classes, but you can create activities in a limited way. Uh, how many? Can you guess how many, Mr. Ho? Can you
I don't
guess?
get it. I don't
Up,
know.
down, up, down.
Up, down, three,
Yep. Three, up,
five,
up,
oh, 10,
up.
oh, 12, 20.
That's right. So in a free version of Snorkel, all the users can create 20 activities. Then how can you just make more than 20 if you wanted to use still the free version of Snorkl? Can you guess? Maybe you can just generate Google account again.
Right.
So use the multiple Google account and for each account you can just generate 20 activities for free.
Or you
Okay.
can delete the previous activities, right?
That's the another option. But in that case, if you just I'm not sure, but if you delete the activity, then the student results and all the feedbacks is
Oh,
also erased. I'm not sure, but
that might
so I
happen.
recommend the first option, using the
Mhm.
multiple account. And see, there's a Snorkl library at the last part of the menu. What is it? Let me see. See?
The library
Yeah.
will teachers upload their activities.
Yes, right. So this is the all the tasks that Snorkel prepared. So
Oh,
mathematics
not
and
prepared.
science, reading and language arts. So all the tasks. If you just to review the tasks according to your students' levels, but
Mhm.
the Zanzibar in Tanzania, the the grading system is a little bit different from Korean and United States. So in Korea we use K-12 system. So from grade
Mhm.
1 to 7, the student age is from 6 to 12,
Mhm.
and in Zanzibar, you just to check primary, and from form 4 to 4 in Zanzibar, it means that the student's age is 13 to 16. It
Mhm.
is grade 8 to 11. So if you are teaching form, for example, form 1, then you may just choose grade 8 for the students. Okay. Now let's make a class. Okay. See, on the upper corner, there's a three lines. Press that icon and press classes. Then you may see the create button. If you press that button, you just write down your own class name. Uh, Mr. Ho, could you recommend any class name for me?
Oh, Snorkel.
Snorkel? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, mm, Snorkel. 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 Yeah,
SNORKL.
Snorkel test. I just actually I just stopped writing the class name because it does not uh, I mean acknowledge the Korean letter, so that's why. Anyhow, yes, okay. So after writing down the class name, then you may choose the class color like green or yellow, and press the class button, create button. Then yeah, see, now you are in a class Snorkel class, and uh, let's go back to the class menu on the right upper corner. Then see, there's a Snorkel class. If you wanted to share the new class, then you may just press the three dots on the right corner. Then see, there's a share button, and see, there's a QR code icon. If you press that button, there pops up a QR code. If you share that button to the student, then all the students can join your classes automatically, right? See? And if you wanted to teach this Snorkel class with your co-teacher, then again press the three dots, and here manage co-teachers, click button. Then you just write down your teacher's email and you just invite them. By doing this, the teacher might your co-teacher might join your class and co-teach your class. Okay, next step. So this time, let's make activity. On the Snorkl, okay, just to press this Snorkl class. Then you may see the assign icon. Press this button. You can choose three options. As I already told you, if you wanted to just to take one of the prepared onboarded Snorkl tasks, then you may just choose one from Snorkl library. And if you already just made one previously, then you may just take one from my library. But this time, as all you are new in this application, let's press create new button. Then you may just write down title and secondly the answer types and choose what happened. I cannot. Okay. Oh, if you choose one type, then you may just you may just make a question, and lastly, you may just generate the rubrics from question. So this for these all six steps, I will just explain details one by one. If you wanted to just to make a question, the first thing that you have to do is just to write down the question name. Okay, Snorkl question. Okay, maybe you may just to write down the more detailed information about your question. And there's four options. The first one is whiteboard recording. That means that you may just have students write down their own answer as well as recording their voice. What about the whiteboard only? That means that you can just have students only write their own answers without recording their voice. What about audio only? Yeah, vice versa. Yeah, so in this case, students cannot write down their own answer. They can just record their own voice. The last option is writing. So students type in text, so they can just write down all the kind of essay questions and essay answers. Then the Snorkl may just check the whole articles, the letters, and make a grade. This time I'm going to just choose the first option, whiteboard recording. And let's move on to the next step. Now you have to make your own question. Let's press the add question button here. Then you may just write down your own question on this whiteboard, but it's very difficult, right? So I recommend to use image function. So you'll have your own textbook, right? So using your own textbook, just to take the picture of a question or any kind of task on a page and upload that image on the page. Okay, let me show. I just already upload one image on my device. So the English poem like this. So you don't need to write down all the letters, just to taking a picture and uploading the image. That's it. By the way, you may just only see only three options, right? But on this screen, there's another options. Can you see? How can you do that? See, you may just rotate your screen vertically, then it pops up. Okay. 으차. In Korean, 으차 means
그렇죠.
how can I translate it? 으차 in English. Anyhow, you may just understand what it feels.
라미.
Anyhow, so it just covers my screen. Okay, let me just then show on my presentation the functions. Okay, like this. See. So if you rotate your screen, then you may find another options for the drawings. So if you just wanted to adjust to the position of the screen, you may use your two finger on a screen. Then you can move like this. Move the screen, and you may just put another images or other texts on the page. And if you wanted to highlight something, then if you can just use this button. And if you
Right.
press the T button, it means the text box. So you can just write down the text on the page. What about this one? If you wanted to put a shapes on the question, then you may just use this one. And if you wanted to put a line, then you may press this button. And I just already show how to upload the images on your own device. So just to look at the screen again, the steps like this, press the image button on my device and choose one image on your device and just edit. Then everything is done. Let's press done editing button.
Mm-hmm.
Now, the next step is instruction. Do you remember the first question that I just showed on today's session? The student had to read the poem twice, right? So in this box, you may just write down instructions, detailed instructions, like read the poem twice. By doing that, by writing down the instructions, the teachers can just have students to read the poem twice, and as well as the Snorkl AI also can analyze this instruction. So when the Snorkl generate the rubrics from the question, the Snorkl refer to this instruction. Okay, let me see. The last step is question-based generation or generate from question icon. So you may choose, okay, in my case, it is an English poem, so I'm going to choose language arts and middle school and press generate. Then let me see what happens. Wow. See? So the Snorkl automatically set all the rubrics. See? Read all words accurately. Read the poem with appropriate fluency and pacing. And the last one, complete to full reading of the poem. See? So on the instruction, I just wrote down, read the poem twice, and the Snorkl refer to that instruction and applied that instruction in the rubrics. So you don't need to write down all the rubrics and all details. The Snorkl do it for you. But still, if you are not satisfied with the rubrics that the Snorkl generate, then you may just press edit button.
Mm-hmm.
See, edit button. So, for example, do not speak in Korean. Okay, I just put one more instruction, rubric. In that case, if I confirm this last sentence, then now on that if I just give this assignment to the student cannot, if a student speak in Korean, then the Snorkl just to degrade. I mean, maybe just to not give a good grade. So by doing that, you may just adjust some rubrics. And let's check the other options. See, language art and middle school and the other options, answer and criteria. Okay, so after reviewing all the rubrics and the instructions, then you may just register or assign the activity to the student. Okay, let's press the assign button. See, I have 3 classes. And I'm gonna just to give this assignment to the Snorkl class. So I'm gonna just press Snorkl class, and then I just move on quickly, even without showing the slide. Okay, see, so okay. So assign, if you just press the class button and press the assign icon, then there pops up some menus. Actually, the Snorkl updated some functions and the UI. So you may just see the right page of my screen. There's some options. Unfortunately, with a free version, you cannot use the Snorkl coach function. So it is just it cannot just move on. You cannot activate this function with a free version. What about the limit attempts? Okay, let's activate it. So if you activate limit attempts, then you may just give the students a chance to attempt, how many times they can attempt in a one assignment. So there's numbers like a 1. If you just choose 1, then students can answer only once, right? And if you choose like a 5, then students can maximally they can just answer the question 5 times after checking all the feedbacks and the grade, right? And what about the guest login? It's very important because if you do not activate this function, then students have to access all the question with their own Google account. But
so if students don't have Google accounts, we have to make sure that Google login is available, right? Guest login is available.
that's right. So if the students do not have their own account, then is mandatorily we have to activate guest login. And lastly, collaboration. I know that in Zanzibar, students are very eager to discuss and collaborate with each other. So I'm not sure, but yes. Anyhow, if you activate this function, then there pops up 2 options. The first one is, sorry for the inconvenience. My puppy just wanted to get out from my room.
Here's a new guest.
Sorry. If I do not just leave him out, he will start to bark.
Oh,
So just to kick out him. Her actually. Oh, by the way, if students can view classmates' work, what does that mean? Can you guess, Mr. Her? Can you guess what is this function?
which function again?
The the first one. Students can view classmates' work.
Oh, yeah. So it says if you click it as a yes, and then the
Mhm.
students can monitor other peers the answers, and then they can they give feedbacks?
Ah, good question. Actually, they can just write down comments if you
Oh, yeah.
activate the second option here
That's the
on.
second option.
Yeah. And
So
if
first
you
one is monitoring, peer
that's
monitor.
right.
The second one is
So
peer feedback.
each student can just to review or view the other classmates' answers.
Hmm.
But I guess I'm not sure whether Zanzibar students like this function or not. But if you wanted to just to choose the second option, like a top response, then the Snorkl only show the 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 student result who got the good grade, top response. So you may choose three options. If you choose none, then the collaboration is deactivated. See? Okay. After checking all the options, you may just finally assign this assignment to the students. So, see, successfully assigned. So, in this case, in a Snorkl class, I just assigned the assignment to the students.
Hmm.
If you press the go to activity button, then you may find out the results of students' participation on this screen. But this time there's no student here, so there's only blank. And after finishing all the assignments, you may just press the insight button. If you press the insight button, then you can just find out the analysis of whole assignment. So you can just check who is best and who needs help by just watching this screen. See.
Hmm.
Mm, and if you wanted to just directly share the assignment to the students using the QR code, then go to the classes and Snorkl again. See, there's Snorkl question. And if you press plus the three dots, then there's a share button here again. If you press the QR
Hmm.
code icon, you can just share this Snorkl question directly to the students. And if you wanted to, wait a second. If you wanted to just to try as a student this assignment, then if you go into the question activity and see there's a try as a student icon. If you press that icon, then you may just start response and answer the question as a student. So you can just to
Hmm.
check whether you made your own question correctly or if there is any need for adjustment.
Hmm.
So so using that icon, you can just try the assignment as a student. Okay, almost done. So I'm gonna just show some video clip link. So one of my coworkers just made instructional manual video for sign up and make a class. So if you just scan the QR code, just you may just check how to sign up and how to make a class on a screen again. And secondly, you can just there's a manual for video manual for make assignments.
Hmm.
And thirdly, uh, using this video, you can just check how to share assignment and how to try the assignment as the students. And also, you know that the Snorkl, the platform itself, they have this YouTube channel. So I'm gonna just to click the YouTube channel. See this YouTube channel URL. I'm gonna just to where's that? Okay, here we go. Yeah, yeah. I just onward. Just to put the URL on the comment box. Anyhow, if you just wanted to know details about the Snorkl and any kind of other functions and any kind of educational strategies using Snorkls, then you may just visit the Snorkl website. The Snorkl YouTube channel. So see, there's a video like useful tips for using in classroom. See, yeah. So he just to wear the Snorkl itself. Okay. So this is all for today's session. So every time, remember that you have to just to submit a task. Just to join, just to visit jo.is/ZIIG, the Zanzibar ICT integration website again, and press the monthly task submission, and just to write down your own experience or strategies or ideas of using Snorkl in your classrooms. And lastly, this year in 2026, we also go to Zanzibar again and have another ICT integration trainings. So please welcome us when we come to Zanzibar. Maybe when is the date? The July 26th or I mean the last week of July, we are going to visit Zanzibar again. So
Yes.
Just to say hello to us.
We mean
And
3,
see you
right?
again. Yeah, see you again in Zanzibar. This time, we already just told you several times, Mr. Ho and I and Mr. Cho, the three Korean guy, will visit Zanzibar. So I'm not sure
Thank
this
you for
pronunciation is right.
letting me in.
Taodana Tana Zanzibar. Taodana Tana Zanzibar. See you again in Zanzibar. Thank you for watching our session. By the way, Mr. He, could you say something for
Oh yeah,
any
the online session is over, and then
yes.
I'm very looking forward to, you know, on on field training.
Mhm.
So I really want to see you guys and have a great curriculum together.
Okay. Oh, that's it. This is the last YouTube live before the 2026 ICT training in Zanzibar. So let us see in Zanzibar uh, in July and August. Okay. See you again.
See you. Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye.